work on this car. But before that happens, I have to get this car to my buddy's garage. Now, currently this car is not drivable because the rear end's done. So, he has, my same buddy who's letting me use his garage, has actually let me use his trailer. So today, we will be taking it to his shop, and then I will also, in this video, probably go ahead and, since I'll be doing a lot of rust repair before I even swap the axle, I'm gonna need to take pretty much the entire interior out of the car, so that will probably be part of this video also. But the first thing we need to do is get this car loaded up on the trailer, so I'll set y'all up so you can see that happen. Well everyone, we made it. From Auburn to Marietta, Georgia. Had no problems, everything went well, car stayed on the trailer, there were flat tires, truck ran great, everything went well. So, that right there will be the Rotors and Jet Skis HQ for a little while. Where we'll go through, put this car in the air, strip it down underneath, and fix what is wrong. Currently there is still some stuff inside, so I'm going to be leaving it out for a few days while we get everything else cleared out. But that should happen soon enough. Once we get it in there though, I'll pick back up with this video and we'll get to tearing this interior apart. I may even, once we have everything cleared out, I may even do a little series on setting up that shop for how I want to use it. But for right now, car will sit right here. Sorry we cut off that time lapse at the end of taking it off of the trailer. We have just carried some giant boards up there and forgot to turn the camera back on. So, for now, the car will sit here and we'll pick back up and take in the interior apart. So I went ahead and took all the interior out off camera. Here in the back, it's not that bad. There's just a little bit of surface rust. Where it really gets bad is up in the passenger compartment. So first off, you can see the rocker and just behind the driver's seat is pretty bad. But the really, truly bad stuff is this. It's the inside of the upper suspension mount for the axle. So that is going to need to be addressed. Then over here, the passenger side seat mount
is rusty. The trans tunnel seems to be alright, but then up in the rocker in the front there's also some rust. Now I just took everything out and put it up against the wall. So in the next video we'll be going through and actually putting the car up in the air. So I appreciate y'all watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.